Hey there, what's up? Hope you're doing really good. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your iPhone 11 from Sprint. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone 11 that's from Sprint so that you can use it on other carriers like T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Cricket, AT&T, and also to use it internationally. Alright, so you may want to use this if you're traveling and you need your phone unlocked to be able to use it with other SIM cards in other countries, or you may also want to do this if you want to get out of Sprint and use your iPhone 11 with another carrier. And I'm going to have all the links down below in the description of this video so that you can get the unlock chip that we're going to use to unlock the iPhone 11. All right, let's continue with the video now. All right, so here we have a Sprint iPhone 11 and we're going to unlock it so that we can use it on other carriers. So as you can see, let me swipe down here from the top. As you can see, it's Sprint. So a couple things you need to do to unlock your iPhone. You need to first connect to Wi-Fi. So make sure you have a Wi-Fi network close by so that you can connect to it. Second thing you want to make sure is you're updated to the latest iOS. Right now at this current moment, the latest iOS is 13.3.1, and as you can see, it is updated to the latest one. So make sure you have that. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then we are ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the Sprint SIM card that is in here. All right, so as you can see, here is the Sprint SIM card, and I'm going to show you now what happens when you place a SIM card that's from another carrier. For example, this T-Mobile SIM card. So we're going to place this T-Mobile SIM card right on the SIM card tray. And then yeah, the other thing that you are going to need is you are going to need your SIM card from the carrier that you want to use that is activated. So this is a T-Mobile SIM card that is activated, and it's not going to work because this is a Sprint locked iPhone 11. So we're going to go through the setup steps here after being connected to Wi-Fi, and it's going to try and activate the new SIM card. And the new SIM card is not going to work. It's going to say SIM not supported, and that's because the iPhone is locked. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove that SIM card that we want to use. We're going to leave it here in the SIM tray, and we're going to place this unlock chip that is going to be linked in the description down below. You got to make sure you get the right one because there are a ton of these out there in the market right now, but they are all differently. A lot of them don't work because they're outdated since Apple has patched the firmwares with the new iOS update. A lot of the old unlocked chips don't work anymore, so you got to make sure you get the right one. That's also very important. It's going to be linked down below in the description. So what we're going to do is we're going to place it right above the SIM card that you want to use. So your SIM card is in the SIM tray just like this, and we're going to kind of place it right on top like this, and we're going to leave it sticking out on this side just a little bit. So we're going to see the metal prongs right here of the SIM card. We're going to position it like that above the SIM card properly, and we're going to push it into the iPhone 11 carefully and gently. So you're going to see that the black chip is going to go in first. That's perfect. And then we're going to just push it in all the way. And if you do it correctly, it should read the SIM card right away. Give it a couple seconds though. So if you pushed it in and it still says no SIM, no worries. It may take you a few tries to get it. So just remove the SIM card tray once again and position the unlock chip on the SIM card carefully once again and push it in once again. And give it a couple seconds, maybe a minute, and you will get this message right here, which is the unlock chip message. Right here, what we're going to select is option number 3 here, which is cyber mode, and then we're going to select the bottom option, which is cyber manual 2, and then here it should have the correct updated ICCID, but the updated ICCID will be down below in the description as well, so make sure you double check it and that it is the right one. Once you do, just hit send. It's going to give you this message that says okay, and just hit accept. We're going to give it a couple seconds here. It's going to take you back to this activation screen. Here we're just going to give it a couple seconds for it to read the SIM card and reactivate. It will take a few seconds, but there you go. As you can see, after you wait a few seconds, maybe a minute or two, it's going to take you back to the home screen. So once you're back at the home screen, we're going to go into settings. You're going to select cellular. You're going to go to cellular data options, and then here make sure that enable LTE and data roaming is on. Then go back. Then we're going to go here to where it says network selection, and we're going to disable automatic, and we're going to wait a second or two. This list is going to up here. Here you're going to select the carrier that you're trying to unlock the phone to. So since this is a T-Mobile SIM card, we're going to select T-Mobile. Once you select it, go ahead and hit back. Then we're going to select SIM applications. And here we're going to select reactivate. It's going to say signal updating. It's going to take us back to the activation screen. So once again, we're going to wait here a few more seconds, maybe a minute or two. As you can see, it already is picking up the signal up here. We can see the reception bars, but it does take a few seconds to completely unlock and take us back to the home screen. So there you go. Your iPhone 11 is now unlocked with the new carrier that you wanted to use, and everything on it will work perfectly fine. Your calls, text messages, and data will work perfectly. Let's go ahead and disconnect from the Wi-Fi so that you can see that the data works. Turn Wi-Fi off, and as you can see, we are getting LTE signal. So let's go back to the Safari, and let's go ahead here to apple.com. Go. And as you can see, the internet is working perfectly fine without being connected to Wi-Fi. So everything will work normally. That is how you unlock your iPhone 11 from Sprint to use it with any carrier. Go ahead and give this video a like if it helped you out. It helps me out. And remember, there's going to be links down below where you can get the unlock SIM to unlock your iPhone. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace.